welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you my process on how I make 100% soy wax candles. They are going to be lavender scented. If this is something that you're interested in, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell below. I will also put in my description box below where you can find these candles at. So without further ado, let's jump in to the video.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 난 겨울. Yeah, 가요 cold-blooded. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 children. 꿈에도 I wasn't aware. 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해. 배신감이 들어 단판이 태도 머릿속을 흔드는 ibuprofen 그만해 it's time to stop. 승부욕을 자극하는 style. Yeah, 알면서도 마음이 자꾸 내게 가. 안만 빠져버릴까. If you want me back, I'll tell you I'm sorry. If you want me back, I'll tell you stop trying. Yeah, you got me. Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. Yeah, girl you cold-blooded. Yeah, girl you cold-blooded. Yeah. Girl you cold-blooded. Girl you cold-blooded. I'm like frozen 뭐야 모두 stress은 gotta let it go 했어. 소개팅 데이팅 어플 다 깔아 또 보았어. 반대가 끌린대 opposite's attract. Don't know about me and you, yeah we fell into the cracks. Yeah 갖고 너네 no cap 왜 나는 보여 what's happening. 객관적일 수가 없이 이미 game white flag and waving fast. Yeah I'm leaving back but 말해도 너만 보면 나도 내 맘 I don't know 이거 love a relationship이 헷갈리기만 해 girl. I'll tell you I'm sorry. If you want me back, I'll tell you stop trying. Yeah, you got me. Let it go.
Alright, so it has been a few hours since I have made these candles. They have been setting up and they look really good. I will show you a quick peek on how they turn out. So they actually turned out really perfect. I just have to trim the wick. I usually don't trim the wick until after a couple of days to let it cure a little bit longer. That way I don't have to heat up the wax to get that perfect seal. These have a stronger scent to them and I can't wait until they have cured for, I like to let mine cure for about a week and then I'm going to be testing them out to see how highly scented they are. My other candles that I have on my website, they are lower scented, especially for those who get really bad migraines. It's good for those type of people or for those who don't really like heavy scented candles. I'm trying out a different recipe to make higher scented candles. So I'm going to be testing that out. So we'll see here shortly how they work.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop.